What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning for just 5 seconds? It seems like a tiny moment, a quick pause in time, but the results would be huge and could change our planet in ways we can't even imagine. The Earth, our blue planet, is always moving, spinning on its axis at a speed of 1,000 miles per hour. This spinning controls our days and nights, affects our weather, and even changes the shape of our planet. But what if this spinning suddenly stopped? What would happen to the air, the oceans, and to us if Earth took a 5-second break? The answer is in understanding the big forces at work and the delicate balance that keeps our world together. This simple question opens a box of scientific wonders and scary possibilities. One of the most immediate and shocking things that would happen if Earth stopped spinning would be in the air. The air we breathe, even though we can't see it, has weight and follows the rules of physics, just like everything else. As the Earth spins, the air spins with it, at the same fast speed. Now think about the Earth stopping suddenly. The air, however, doesn't stop right away. Just like a person on a fast bus being thrown forward when the bus stops quickly, the air would keep moving, rushing over the Earth's surface at 1,000 miles per hour. The result would be terrible. Winds of huge force would blow across the planet, tearing apart buildings, pulling up trees, and scraping the land. Everything not tied down would be blown away in a worldwide storm of destruction. The very air we need to live would become a weapon of huge power. The oceans, covering most of the Earth's surface, would go wild if the Earth stopped spinning. The spin of the Earth keeps the oceans in place. But if the Earth stopped, this force would disappear, and gravity would take over. Huge waves, bigger than any tsunami ever, would rush towards the poles. Coastal cities would be flooded right away, covered by the sea. The coastlines would change as the oceans take over large areas of land. The damage would be huge and hard to imagine. Picture the Statue of Liberty underwater up to its crown, showing the ocean's power. We would feel the effects of Earth stopping suddenly, not just from the strong winds and big waves. Inertia, which is the way things keep moving unless something stops them, would turn us into flying objects. Anyone standing on Earth when it stops would be thrown eastward at hundreds of miles per hour. It would feel like being in a car that crashes into a wall. People near the equator would feel it the most, while those near the poles might survive the first shock, only to face a world changed by huge forces. Even a 5-second stop would turn our planet into a dangerous ride. The idea of Earth stopping its spin, even for a few seconds, feels like a scene from a science fiction movie. Luckily, the laws of physics and what we know about space tell us that this is very unlikely to happen. Earth's spin started billions of years ago when it was formed, and it has stayed pretty much the same since then. But this idea makes us wonder, could we, with our advanced technology and knowledge, ever control such powerful forces of nature? Could we use the spin of our planet to stop natural disasters or change our world the way we want? The answer, for now, is hidden in the huge, mysterious space, a big question for future generations to think about. The universe, with all its wonders and power, reminds us of how much we still need to learn.